This is an advisory telling on the speaker that the first message, broadcasted at 1:45 p.m. was fake. Technicians are finding the culprit of who did it. To tune to the weather, use 1735 AM, or dial 544-879 weather. To tune to the news, use 1470 AM or tune to 143.650 MHz, which antenna located in Pettersville, Guilford District. If you use cable, direct the channel to 1145 CH.
What could have possibly happened that time?
I don't know.
We'll have to tune to the news.
To the catastrophic thing today at 1:49 p.m. The culprit's name was Jodhpur Middles, Parry Middles, and Ice Middles. If the Middles family are watching this, come to the Nvokio's Live Weather headquarters.
Really, guys? You need to fake a warning? You are grounded for 243,796,543 years.